We're pleased to present Multnomah County's new payment portal for billing and payments. Securely provided by Point and Pay, conveniently make your payment on any device, anywhere, anytime. So, let's get started. As a first-time user, claim your property by clicking on the Search menu item to the left of your screen. Search for your property by parcel ID, name, or by address. For this demo, we'll search by the name Smith and click on the green Search button to the right of our screen. Locate your property and click Add to Dashboard, the green button to the very right of your property. To view your bill, head over to the dashboard or home screen by clicking Dashboard at the top of the left menu directly below Multnomah County's logo. The next screen will display your bill card, including your total amount due. With the paperless toggle button to the right of the screen, you have the option to turn on or off paperless billing. Turn paperless to on by clicking the toggle button. Read the authorization and agreement, and if you consent, click the red Confirm button directly below. Your paperless status will update, and the paperless toggle button is now turned to on and colored green. To make a payment, click View Payment Options, the dark gray button at the foot of our bill card. The total amount due will populate to the bill card, but can be edited to a different amount. Add your preferred payment amount to your cart by clicking Add to Cart. Then, View Cart. Review your cart and click on the green button below to check out. The next screen will display your preferred methods of payment and the corresponding pre-calculated fee for each. If you choose to pay by credit card, the fee is 2.35% of your balance, while your fee using a debit card or electronic check is fixed at $3.50 and 50 cents, regardless of your payment amount. For payment by electronic check, fill in your first name, last name, bank account type, and your bank's routing number. Fill in your bank account number and confirm your bank account number again. Note that your bank's routing number and bank account number can be found on your paper check, highlighted in red here and here. Be sure to fill in your name and address so that they match exactly what is on your paper check through your bank. You also have the option to save your electronic check payment information. To make a payment using a credit card, fill in your first and last name, your credit card number, expiration month, expiration year, and CVV code. Fill out your billing address, and here you also have the option to save your payment information. Click on the green Next button directly below to proceed. Review your account details and select your preferred payment date at the bottom right of the screen. A calendar will appear where you have the option to select a future payment date or choose the current date. In this example, we'll choose the current date, and if we agree to the terms and conditions, we'll check the box below our payment date and click the red Submit button. The payment has been processed and confirmed successful. Note that a payment confirmation has been sent to your email address on file. And at the bottom of the screen, you also have the option to print the confirmation by clicking on the printer icon. If you prefer to pay your balance in installments, head back over to the dashboard. To the right, below the paperless toggle, click the darker green Add Installments button. The next screen will provide you with a number of installment options. For this tutorial, we'll schedule installments for our total balance using the credit card on file. Schedule a total of 3 installments starting on a future date. We'll click Forward to the next month and choose November 16th. Directly below the payment date, you can calculate payments for weekly, monthly, yearly, or customized installments. Let's choose monthly, as we'll have a chance to make adjustments below. 3 monthly installments are calculated for you. For this tutorial, we'll move the third installment a bit forward by clicking on the date field and the top right arrow and choose March 5th. Note that the total has been divided into 3 equal amounts and the fees are calculated for each installment. Click the green Schedule 3 Installments button directly below. 3 payments have been successfully scheduled. The 3 scheduled payments can be viewed by clicking the History tab in our left menu and filter account status by scheduled accounts. To the right of the scheduled payments, directly under each payment date, is the option to independently cancel a payment, or all 3 by clicking the box to the left of Cancel and clicking the green Cancel Selected button directly above the status column. For this tutorial, we'll leave our scheduled payments as is, unclick the cancel boxes, and head over to the Profile section by clicking the last button on the left menu. In the Profile section, you have the option to make edits to your name, phone number, email address, and password. You can also edit or remove your payment method, or add a new payment method. Note, a payment method in use for currently scheduled payments cannot be removed. In this tutorial, the phone number field is blank, so we'll go ahead and add our phone number and click the green Save button directly below. The profile has been updated, and this concludes Multnomah County's new payment portal tutorial. We look forward to providing you with quick, convenient, flexible, and easy payment options. To view answers to frequently asked questions, click the Settings cog icon at the very top right corner of your screen and click Help to visit the Support section. If you believe there's been a billing error or a late fee has been applied to your account incorrectly, or if you need to add or remove someone from your account, reach out to Multnomah County between the hours of 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. For technical issues making a payment, account setup, or other questions in regards to making payments, reach out to Point and Pay for support between the hours of 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.